So part of the home buying process, whether you're shopping or whether you've recently bought a home, usually you get introduced to an insurance broker, such as my friend Cam Duick from Hub Insurance. So Cam, we're buying a house. What is kind of the important things? Why do I need insurance? And then what are the things that are important in buying insurance?
Well, the first thing we're obviously going to capture is the personal information of the home buyer themselves. For the risk specifically, we are looking for obviously age and size of the home, and then information regarding the plumbing, heating, electrical, and roof.
Okay.
If the house is more than 25 years old, we need to know the age that these items have been updated to provide accurate information to your insurance provider.
Okay. Follow-up question to that is that if I am buying a house, there are certain aspects of an older home that maybe you have a problem getting insurance for. Are there things that would make your house uneligible for insurance?
There are items where we would possibly require additional information or inspections. Those items would be substandard wiring, your aluminum and knob and tube, as well as any old galvanized or cast plumbing. Doesn't necessarily mean that you are going to be ineligible for insurance. We have companies that will provide coverage for all of these options. Sometimes inspections are not even required at all, and they aren't guaranteed to influence the cost that you're going to pay on a yearly basis.
That's cool. Now, one more question for you is, Manitoba, we're in a floodplain, right? So when we're buying a home and it's potentially in a floodplain, is there specific insurance for that, or what are the risks, or what should we know about buying a house that maybe backs onto a river or something?
Yeah, good question. I think the most important thing to note is that every customer is eligible for coverage. Obviously up to certain limits, and it's going to depend upon how much premium they're willing to pay. At Hub, we do have a standard practice where we quote everyone maximum limits, regardless of true cost, and help you to make an informative choice, just so that what we're providing is going to match your budget after you've purchased that home.
Okay. But more specific to the floodplain, are there things to watch out for when you're buying a house in these areas, or?
Obviously your preventative measures, is there a presence of a backwater valve in a sump pump? Has there been previous flooding or water damage at that home that's been disclosed? All of these things are going to factor into how much coverage you can get and the premium that's going to be tied to it.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for your time. So this is Cam Duick from Hub Insurance. If you were looking for insurance, he is one of the amazing people that I recommend. So thanks for your time, buddy.
Absolutely. Thanks, Wes.